Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our online math class for grade 3 Umal Qura Public School, Bahawalpur. Our topic is numbers. Page number 26. 6-digit number and their place value. Now we will learn to find the place value of the numbers up to 6 digits. The place value in a 6-digit number are 100,000, 10,000, and then the sign of 100,000 is HTS, 10,000 TH, and 1,000 TH, 100 H, 10 T, and 1 O. So when we add 1 in a greatest 5-digit number, we get the 10th digit number. This is on the 100,000. Look at this page number 26, and we have a table.